Backup files. By default, AutoCAD makes a backup file in the very same folder as your drawing. These backup files have a BAK extension, which stands for backup. So when you save a drawing, the old file gets overwritten to the backup file. So therefore, the backup file is always one save behind the drawing. So here I got a smiley face and I've already saved it. I'm going to put a little hat on this little character here. And right, so I'm just going to put a little simple hat on him, right? And there we go. So now I'm going to hit save. And I'm actually going to go in here and say, okay, let's go into our Windows Explorer. And I'm going to come in here and see how I have the BAK file. I'm going to click on this thing. And I'm going to change it to a DWG. But I gotta kind of put a little different name in here. I'm gonna say this is a backup so I know that it's different than my other smile CAD face, right? And so I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna say, hey, you're changing the file extension. You sure you want to do that? It's not typically something we do, but I'll say yes. And okay, now I've created it, and you can see by my preview window it doesn't have the hat. So I come back in here and I can actually go and open that file up later on now and have a different version, one file older without the hat. Okay, so these backup files come in a little bit handy. If something goes wrong, you can go back one version by using these backup files. And these backup files are found in our options dialog box. Remember, I can go into my options and I go into my open and save, and I go and make sure that create backup with each save is turned on, and that will force it to create a backup file. Remember, when it comes time to turning in files, I do not want a backup file. I just want the DWG.